creative producer Rajesh Pandekar.
Sir, sir.
Kazuro is very special to my heart, and what we created here, the whole team has put soul and heart and hard work. It's a different film. It's almost like an uncut film of 113 minutes. So have patience. And it is especially we planned this for sending for festivals because there are a lot of creative inputs and we have also got a creative satisfaction out of it. So, and I really thank ESG for their support and DFF of giving us this opportunity to screen this movie in this 50th year of IFFI. And I would like to mention about this film that this film is I dedicate to the suppressed society all over the world, because it's still, the things are still happening all over the world. So this is, I thought I should dedicate this film to suppressed society, to not just India or any other particular place. It's entire, the whole world. Thank you so much.